Good morning, class. I apologize for the weather and we had to get out of school early today, but I do appreciate you guys making it to tutorials to really cover our core math solution. So this is our first time using this. We will be using this more frequently as we have weather challenges throughout the state. So let me show you real quickly the basics that we will be using today. Obviously, attendees will see who all is online. So I'm going to have Calvin go ahead and take attendance and then shoot me an email with who all is joining and if we have others joining later. Then we also have the chat function here where you guys can chat all in a group or you guys can chat individually. But most importantly, what we'll be using today is the whiteboard. And so we're going to cover one of the problems that we covered earlier today that stumped everybody, but I want to see if we have any volunteers before I jump into the math problem. So if you guys want to volunteer, raise your hand and then we will get started. All right, Cindy, you are the brave one today. Okay, so let's all click to the whiteboard. This is the problem that we'll be solving today in addition to several. So we're going to focus on 32 minus 12, and that should be an equal sign, not plus sign. So we're looking at what is 32 minus 12 equal. So Cindy, while I'm chatting, you can go ahead and either text your answer, so you can use this to text, or you can draw your answer if you have a stylus pen or if you want to draw that way. So it is totally up to you. So let me go back and add in our core solution. So our problem is 32 minus 12. Okay, so while Cindy's doing that, remember we're focusing on groups of 5 and 10. So while she's adding it up, and we'll be able to check her work, and thank you for being the brave one to go ahead and answer the question. All right, so Cindy, let's see what you came up with. Oh, dang, okay, great. So Cindy took the equation, 32 minus 12. Her bottom answer is 20. So Cindy, before we jump into it, how did you get your answer? Oh, you know what? You might want to go ahead and make that a little thinner. So you can go over here to the pen size and then make that smaller. Okay, so we're gonna have you can just change the diameter. Probably change it to yellow. Okay, so show us how you came up with that. Got it. Okay, so it looks like she did 12 plus 3 equals 15. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Then she, we talked about groups of 10. Then she did 20 plus 10 equals 30. Then 30 plus 2 equals 32. So the way that she came up with 20 is it looks like, Cindy, you focus on this area here in the middle. So it looks like you, so it looks like you took the middle number in each of these areas and got 20. So that is actually correct, Cindy. So thank you for doing this for us. So we're going to focus on other math problems, but I wanted you guys to, get comfortable with this new software that we're using. So I'm very excited.